Hello and welcome back to the Road to Good Cooking. Today I am making another one of my favorites, pureed pumpkin pie ice cream. It is super creamy, delicious, light, and you're going to absolutely love it. Make a double batch. You want to see how I made it? Here's the recipe. Pause right here if you need to. Write all these ingredients down. And for this recipe, I used light brown sugar. And to me, that light brown sugar gave it such a deep, rich flavor. I made this recipe before using granulated sugar. And the only difference is you just have to put the sugar in the cream and make sure that it is completely dissolved before you start the churning process. So if you're going to use granulated sugar, let it set in the fridge for about 2 hours. And that will ensure that all that sugar will be dissolved. And here's my pumpkin puree and all the spices. Now I'm going to fold it into my cream first, and then I'm going to use my whisk and whisk it all together to make sure everything is well incorporated before I put it in my churning bowl. Now from here, I'm going to do like I always do, put on some nice soft music for you to enjoy and sit back and relax and watch me work. The next few steps are going to be self-explanatory. I hope you give this recipe a try. Your family and friends will absolutely love it. And if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button and that notification bell. That way you'll be notified each and every time I upload a video. Thank you for your time and your support. Don't forget, we're still in this thing, so keep your mask on, wash your hands often, stay safe, stay prayed up, continue to social distance, and enjoy your weekend. Thank you so much for stopping by, and I'll see you when I see you. Be blessed and keep on cooking and making some ice cream.